Alright guys, so this carrier furnace is now 10 years old and I've been noticing some very big changes with it. The blower motor sounds a lot more like an old industrial fan in comparison. I'm gonna let you guys listen to it and I'm gonna show you guys why I say it sounds like an industrial fan motor now. Well, in this case, the motor is aging. It is a permanently sealed motor, so you would have to oil it with the bottom panel removed, and I'm gonna let you guys listen to it. So here's the thermostat. I'm gonna switch this to on here. Okay, so the fan and the furnace is running. Do you know the difference between old versus new? Well, old typically means that an old blower motor would definitely sound like an industrial fan. Now you can kind of hear that it does sound like in an old industrial fan based on the sound pattern. This is also typically what you guys hear when the furnace is actually heating. Right now the furnace is not heating because the room is satisfied right now. I'm just running it to show you guys the furnace's age and stuff. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna turn the thermostat back to auto, and I'll be back.